you hold
Pick
still.
up a gun!
God damn it, can you hold still? Ah! First to 5 1 rounds win. Each round is a best of 3. Each round takes place in a different map. Each map has its own set of weapons.
Yeah.
Let's go.
I don't know.
Oh
It's
my
a
gosh.
person shooter. You shoot
Dude,
and you
the
win.
sensitivity is awful.
Oh my god. It's super
How do
high.
I-
Where are we shooting?
Where guns? Where guns?
Each other.
Oh.
It's free for all. Free for all.
Oh, I'm out of ammo, and it
Oh,
just
shit.
okay.
Oh, we get rid of the
Yeah,
gun
I see.
explodes.
Good to know.
Dude, like, I can't.
What up to Big
I
Bertha,
can't
bitch?
do anything.
Ah.
Changing sensitivity.
Big Bertha, bitch.
Hold on,
Woo, headshot. I win.
sensitivity's kind of off.
Yeah.
Oh,
Mac
I chose
10?
wrong direction.
Damn it. I'm used to E being my interact button, but it's F this game.
Oh, that runs out so fast.
Oh!
Oh
Yo!
my god. Alright, comes down to the last two. Oh,
What?
oh,
What did-
oh,
didn't
but
shoot
it
again.
didn't matter, but it didn't matter.
It did not.
Go, 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 go.
Oh,
shit.
boy.
Hey,
Oh.
oh my god, dude. Oh
I was
shit.
gonna say, the 120 is kind of
It's too much.
I mean,
No,
I'm
yeah,
at
putting it
down to
110.
100.
It's too much.
Alright, got the big iron on my head, bitch. Bitch, bitch, bitch. Damn it. Alright. Oh, come on, guys, hey, just help. Get him, get him, get him.
What? What?
I hit you.
Good shot.
Oh, you're there! No!
Ooh, ooh. Damn, y'all suck at this. Well, I died first, but you know.
Hey, I got 2 kills.
Hey, come back here. Oh, what? You got one too? This lame. No, I dropped it. I fucking dropped my weapon. Pretty much neck and neck health. Let's see who gets it here. Fucking floored.
I'm always going for the Kanye, bro.
Oh? Oh, what is
New
this?
map.
New map. Go, 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 go.
Oh god.
What
Oh
is
my
this?
god. Oh my god.
What is this?
The fuck is a gun? Is that a gun?
Where does this go? What have I found?
Yo, I'm so cooked.
AK pump weapon?
Oh!
Shit. Ah. Get a weapon, dude. It's better. Where are y'all? Alright, that's one of you guys taking care of. Oh shit! No! Oh, this shotgun's so D! Oh, Isaiah, you camping, bitch!
No, it's-
No, I heard you.
Oh, nice.
I didn't know you had to reload after 2 shots.
I know, I feel like everywhere I expect a weapon to be in this map. Oh!
No, the flame! Oh my god, all I had was a pistol. I don't like that. I'm dying
No
a lot.
way.
What? We traded?
Oh, we traded!
Oh, let's
So
go.
bad! And it gave it to Ryan?
Hand it
What
Ryan.
is this?
Because Ryan was alive. Tab.
It shows Isaiah won the first one. But
Yeah, the
that's
first
it.
match.
Yes, sir!
Okay, so...
Oh, Isaiah wins too. What the fuck?
Didn't
Dang.
even give
Guys,
me one
alright.
then.
Dog
Oh, what
pile
is
Isaiah.
this?
Oh shit.
It said I had 0.
A sawed off?
Yeah. Oh shit, do we all get sawed off? Nice.
Dude!
I can't! There's no point in aiming!
Shit.
Gosh.
Oh,
God damn it!
Oh my god.
I thought I had way more ammo in my
These
shotgun.
maps,
This
man.
map's kind of weird. I don't like. Oh
I
god.
I like this map. This is really cool.
Oh damn it.
Oh, then they getting fucked, I guess. Hey, I don't like that.
Damn it. Oh, I had the wrong. Oh.
Why is there no shotgun here? There's no what?
Get fucked.
Bro, how is that fair?
Fuck, fuck.
Bro, I
Give me the
directly hit you multiple times. How aren't you dead? I don't have guns.
Dude,
Oh, you fuck.
the amount of
Oh,
hits I hit, and I feel like I'm
Oh
not
my
getting a
Yo.
See that?
I hit twice.
Hold up! Alternate fire, baby!
Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my
That
god.
was
Hey, you didn't see that.
freaking intense, Ryan.
Oh my god. Damn it.
Yo,
I suck
this
at
is
FPS.
terrifying.
I was gonna keep working.
This map is awful.
This map is awful. I think is it just energy pistol?
I think so.
Wait, how are you dual wielding energy pistols?
You can pick up 2 of any gun, I think.
What? No way.
What?
Damn it, slime. How'd that work? Sure wasn't. Bro!
Oh!
Get fucked, get fucked, get fucked, get fucked.
I don't have a gun yet.
How do I?
Fuck! Oh my god!
It's crazy.
Oh shit, oh shit. Neck and neck. Oh! Oh shit, get floored, get floored.
Dude.
Be kind to me, boys!
Damn!
Alright, bro. That's
Shot,
crazy.
shot.
Respect the ones, dude.
I think teams in this might be worse.
God damn it!
Yes, sir.
Guys, we can't let him win.
Yeah, this game's just kind of fun. I love this game.
What
Half
is
the
this
time I
map?
just don't get a weapon until like halfway
That's what
through the
I'm
match.
saying.
Go,
Like,
go, 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 go.
Bro, how the fuck?
That's mine, it's mine, it's mine. Fuck, I fell.
A grenade?
what is this gun?
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I'm scared.
A grenade?
Ooh!
No way.
How do I throw it?
What? What was
A
that?
hand grenade. Oh,
A hand grenade? That's lame as shit. Can I make that?
Gun? Gun? Gun?
Hey,
Gun?
hey,
Gun?
hey,
Gun?
that's my gun. Damn it. Gun. Damn it. What was that?
I got a sniper.
Oh my gosh.
What the fuck? Where'd you get a sniper from?
Top of the map.
Bro, how'd you guys miss all your
Where?
shots? None of them hit.
Throw in his sniper.
Oh,
Nice.
what? The range
That
on it.
explode.
Nice.
No, he was right next to
Jeez,
you.
that was sick.
I was right next to you with the grenade.
I was like,
Once
why?
I'm aiming
figured out the
right at
grenade,
you
that
and it
was
doesn't hit you
just-
at all.
Oh, what is this? What is this?
Okay, come on.
What?
it doesn't
What is
matter.
that? That's so lame.
You suck. You suck.
God damn.
Pick up the
How's that
gun.
ammo?
Alright.
Oh, you
Neck
got
and
a
neck on health. Let's see who gets it. Who gets it?
Sir.
Oh man. Oh fuck. Oh. Oh, what the fuck? Oh!
Dude, I be aiming at you and nothing hits. I don't get it.
Fuck! 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 Fuck!
This is a
Get back!
fight.
Don't pick up the shotgun. Don't even pick up the shotgun, bro. It's ass.
Fuck! No! Fuck it!
Yes.
Yo.
Like, dude,
Bro,
I have
no!
the shotgun 2 feet away and I'm aiming at your head and nothing hits you?
Oh,
Don't pick up the shotgun. Don't even pick up the shotgun, bro. It's ass.
oh,
What
this is
is-
an open ass
grenade?
map. I don't like this. It's just all it's grenades only.
What? Come on.
Boy.
How did I kill myself and not you? What?
Oh shit! I almost slid in. I did slid into it. Slide into it. I'm freaking out.
Oh
Is that a
my
knife?
God.
Where'd you find a knife?
Dude, the fucking grenades. I don't like them, man.
How?
1v1 with the knife?
Yeah,
Wait,
nice.
actually-
Oh, I got two.
Wait. Everyone grab a knife and we do knives only. Knives only.
Knives
Knives
only,
only.
knives
Yep. If
You
have grenade,
whore!
chuck it. I don't have a knife yet.
Okay.
It doesn't matter. Kill Isaiah. He defied.
Bro.
Kill
You said it too
Isaiah.
late.
I tried to stop you. I was saying it before the round started. What do you mean?
How did you
Oh
have
my
so
gosh,
much
and now we
health?
don't even get to do it.
How? What?
This
Oh, wait, I
one's
see a knife,
double
knife.
hazmat.
Knife.
Knife.
Oh,
Knives only. Knives only.
hold
Everyone have a
on,
knife?
hold on.
Meet up in the middle.
Where are the knives?
Wait!
Oh, I thought we were just going to top up on gang.
Bro, let me speak, dude. Grab a knife and meet up in the middle, okay?
Okay. Alright, I have one.
Okay.
Okay.
Get on your platform, alright? We're gonna start in 3, 2, 1.
Go.
This little rat's running away, bro. Dude, come on.
What?
Let's go. Wait, that was two. Wait, that was only 2 rounds. Was that not? Oh shit. Fuck. Oh my god.
I shot a hat off. You can shoot hats
That's
off.
crazy.
Oh, get fucked.
I literally can't do anything in this game.
No. Kill him. If he wins this round, he wins the game.
Gun to do this.
Tight shit.
Have a gun.
Hey, can you hold
Pick
still?
up a gun!
God damn it, can you hold still? Ah! Oh, I got shot. No! Kill him, he's low.
Oh my gosh, dude.
Isaiah's low, 50 health, one shot. Come on.
Oh!
A draw happened. Have scored a point for their team.
Draw? That's insane.
Damn,
Ryan
Ryan, you
is
suck. You have
putting
0
all
points.
blue.
Oh, what is this map?
What is this?
Cage
What on
fight,
earth?
go! Oh.
Gun?
Oh no! Oh!
Yeah, double things, I think. This is the one that Ryan wins, is no guns. No weapons at all. Oh my god, what? What is this, dude? I'm throwing it! What is going on here?
Ow.
What?
Ow.
Oh shit. Crashing that shit in midair? God damn it. Oh my god, I suck at this, holy shit. I don't like the props one. I don't like this one.
Yeah, I don't like that
Oh,
one. Bro, how?
Get fucked.
Oh, I see a
The same
grenade.
place,
Don't tell
alright.
me this is grenades.
I saw a
only.
grenade. Nope, it's not grenades only.
Oh, good.
What a throw.
Oh, this gun's terrible.
This
Oh,
thing
this gun's
sucks.
horrible!
Yeah.
Oh, I thought it was a shotgun!
That's what I thought too.
I just got lucky with that. Again.
I was
Nice,
nowhere
that's-
near it, man! The grenades are
That
fucking
was-
awful in this game.
The
It
grenades
wasn't
are
even
awful.
down there.
No, that's so lame! What is that? Yes!
I'm tired of this game,
Oh.
bro. I'm nowhere near it. At all. I was in the middle of the fucking goddamn map.
Oh, what is this? Saint
Dude,
Lucia.
that grenade at the beginning was crazy.
That's so lame. What the fuck is this? What the fuck is this thing?
Oh my god.
Do you guys see what
Where?
I have? Do you guys see what I have?
What? You just one shot?
The minded! Well, because it slows me down. It slows me down. It takes a long time to like swing it. Okay. I'm gonna use
What?
it right now.
Oh.
I
let's
just
go.
traded.
I'll
I
take
win.
a trade.
Yay. Where is someone? Where is someone?
This map
Hey,
is
come on out.
huge.
Come on out. Yeah, this map is giant. Oh, nah! I wanted to see what this gun was all about.
What is this?
Oh, I could dual wield that.
I just fell off the map with an A12.
No! Did you see what I had, bro?
Oh, dude. Yeah, no, we're cooked. We're cooked. Isaiah's winning this. I'm
I
not
had the
good at this game.
giant mace.
Yeah, it slows you down, right?
Yeah.
But like
But
it
one shot.
It hurts. Yeah, it's a one shot and it hurts.
I didn't even get to swing it because bro had a shotgun right next to me.
That's so lame. What is that?
Dude, the A12 in the middle, kind of nice. With
Yeah, I was wondering.
Fuck,
about
oh, let's go,
that.
let's go, let's go, let's go.
You
Oh my
know
god,
it's
let's go.
Ryan, but then I
okay,
can't.
okay.
It just makes no
We are locking Isaiah down.
What
Oh,
the
why
fuck
do I
is
scream
that?
rocket
Let's
launcher?
Oh
go.
my god,
Let's
I see
go.
one too. Like, give me this shit.
It launches you back?
It's
Yep.
coming here, motherfucker. Oh, what? That's so lame.
Oh.
Oh, damn. Damn it. STRAFTAT killer, that's what you got. This one's scary, I don't know.
Oh.
Let's go.
He won.
No.
Damn
At
it.
least we
Never
We're
kinda
making
brought it
such a
back.
good comeback, too.
Oh, we can just.
Oh, I got third place, though. Oh, no, I got
Oh,
second
God.
place, technically.
Okay,
I
well,
tied.
We
I
died.
tied.
We
We did it.
Yeah, I'm down there.
1-2 rounds.